First conversation you had with me, na?
Yes. First conversation with you.
So, when we made conversation, do
I
you
think
remember?
1 month ago. 1 month ago. It's completely
Yes.
1 month. Yes.
So, now your English improve a lot. When you started first time, so you speak very nervous and like.
So
So
how are
how?
you?
Yeah, I am good. And you?
Yes, I'm also good. You can see.
Yeah. So
Yes.
how your practice going on?
Yes, it's going good. But before 3 days ago, I am not taking, consistency just because of my guest. Ye- Yes.
Whenever anyone come our home, so that time we not focus our anything. just
Yes.
to focus to just to focus to make food and serve them.
Yes. You are right. Because some guest came from my in-laws house. My
Yes.
JT and Nandoi. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So how is your practice going on?
Yeah, my practice is very good. And your how is
My
going?
Yes, it's going good, but a little bit it's not. You can say some time problem. So yeah.
Yes. Gradually improve. So, how much time for your conversation like you did, and your English become good these days, like you speaking very good.
Okay, so I taken a conversation only, a journal conversation as well as rapid fire I played and some topic discussions. Yes, little bit. Yes, but
So,
I didn't take in any grammatical parts which they like would, should, or used with these things. Yeah.
okay, so first conversation you had with me, na?
Yes. First conversation with you.
So, when we made conversation, do
I
you
think
remember?
1 month ago. 1 month ago. It's completely
Yes.
1 month. Yes.
So, now your English improve a lot. When you started first time, so you speak very nervous and like missing some word, but now you speaking good.
Thank you.
So, how many conversation did you make?
I am making only one conversation in a day. If I have, more time, so I take 2, 3 conversation if possible, because the net is also important for us. Yes.
मैंने पूछा कि आपने कितनी कन्वर्सेशन की? How many conversation did you?
Okay. So I did 30 or 32 conversation. You can say. Yes.
Okay. So do you use any app like Hybro, SEC Fluency, other app? Only use Skype app.
Yes, I'm using only this. Are you
Okay.
using any kind of app?
Actually, I am using voice call like I am talking with different people. So yeah, you can say that is my app. That's why I'm not using any app. And initial days I did practice on Hybro app.
Hybro app. Okay, so how was the experience? Your
Yeah, it was good experience. I not took a subscription, but I only used free. That time
free.
that time that time I got I think a 25 minute in a day.
Okay.
And still I have that app, so whenever I get time, so I connect to anyone. Because these days 20 minutes we get in Hybro app free.
Free. Okay.
You
Because
can
it's a paid app, no? It's paid app
yeah you get like you get every day 20 minutes free every day.
every day. Okay.
You install that app. If anyone install that app, so they
Mhm.
can get every day a 20 minute these
Okay.
days. Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let's see if I thought thinking that if I download this app, so yeah, definitely I will do. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good if anyone haven't environment, no friends, with whom they speak, so they can use those apps. And yeah, if anyone want talk with any YouTuber, so they can mail them and talk on Skype.
Yes, yes. I'm only talking with a Skype app only. I'm using this thing because you, as you know, I have no much time.
Yeah,
This is a
actually,
common
when we
one.
started. Yeah, when you started, so I told you everything like how to use Skype, and you message me, ma'am, I don't know, I don't know.
Yes,
So yeah,
yes. And now this time, some people they ask with me that how to use app,
yes.
and I told them.
Yeah, because you know, in initially day when I started, so that time I also didn't know about this app. So I always think ki how people connect with each other, how they talk, how they do practice. Is this app free? Yeah, they need any money. So these question comes our mind many times. So if we help to anyone, so we feel also very happy ki like I लाइक कि कम से कम मैं हो तो गई किसी की हेल्प करने के लिए कि चलो किसी की हेल्प करो सो या
Yes, yes.
इट्स गुड
And also, I told her name is Anisha. You take in conversation with her, and I told her that I taken, oh, I learned all the things how to use app only from you. Like Pratna is here, and she told me that Pratna is here, your channel name, and she told me that Pratna taken first conversation with me, her first conversation.
Yes, my first
Yes,
conversation with Anisa Di, and she told me like everything.
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
she forced me like Pratna, you should use conversation. So I asked ki how we connect. Like you know, I found her in Hybro app. First time
Oh,
I talked with them. So she said ki I am YouTuber. I said ki I am YouTuber. So that time I started my journey. So we talked each other and we share our number on Hybro app. Then we
and
like.
yes, and also I share these things that our both bonding that I share with her. Yes.
Yeah, it's good, you know, it's good. And I only share with everyone ki like if you learn this language,
Yes.
so you just try to connect with people and speak. Don't go for any class.
Paid app, or you can say institute, paid
In
money. Yes.
classes, in institute, don't go and don't give to money. Only use like free app, and
Yes.
you talk them because देखो if you go any institute, so they can teach you grammar and everything, okay, and and they
Yes.
like वो बोले कि just you do speaking
Yes.
practice, and you know if anyone make conversation to each other, so they can learn easily everything like every grammar, every structure, everything while speaking they can learn.
Hmm. Yes, you are right, because they also told us that you just I can they told they teach us, but practice is we can do.
Yeah. So you know in YouTube there are lots of video. If anyone watch, so first you watch and then you try to स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस यू बड़े बड़े
Yes.
बहुत बड़े बड़े वो भी ट्यूटर जो होते हैं वो भी हमको यही बोलते हैं कि मतलब जितना आप बोलोगे उतना ही आप सीखोगे कि हाउ मच यू स्पीक यू बी फ्लुएंट टू मच लाइक
Yes.
स्पीकिंग कम्स बाय स्पीकिंग सो बोलने से ही बोलना आता है तो यस जस्ट स्टार्ट प्रैक्टिस एंड यू नो वी आर फील like we are making conversation and we are doing these things so we feel ki yes
Yes,
only
we are improving day by day. Little bit we are improving, but we are improving.
छोटी छोटी चीजें कि लाइक इसका अच्छा इसका यूज ऐसे होता है ऐसे नहीं होता अच्छा मैं तो ऐसे करती थी पर चलो ऐसे होता है अच्छा है जान गई लाइक दिस नहीं सो या
Today I made two choti. My kid. I make it, girl.
he is your younger one.
Yes, he is my younger one.
Okay, so these days your husband knows about you like you are making video and everything.
Yes, yes, he knows, but he don't like. And when you told me that we will do conversation that day, my husband's birthday, and some guest has came to my home to celebrate his birthday, and in the evening time they talking about me that she is speaking in English. What is the benefit of this? What she get from this? हिंदी इज अवर मदर टंग, अगर सिखाना है तो कुछ अच्छा सिखाओ, इंग्लिश के सिखाना.
I love Hindi. You know, मैं हिंदी से बहुत प्यार करती हूँ और हमको लगता है कि सभी इंडियन करते हैं एंड वी यू नो व्हेनेवर वी स्पीक हिंदी सो मतलब वो अंदर से अटैच है, वो अंदर से फीलिंग आती है जब हम
Yes,
हिंदी
yes,
बोलते हैं। पर इंग्लिश लर्न करना ये हमारी मजबूरी है कि लाइक इन्वायरमेंट
yes,
ऐसा हो गया है, तो या वी नीड टू लर्न दिस
yes.
लैंग्वेज।
But we love our Hindi. Hindi is best.
यस, आई
Yes,
आल्सो लव।
yes.
एंड अगर कोई बोल दे कि हिंदी में तुम 3-4 घंटे बोलो तो मैं बोल सकती हूँ। इस इंग्लिश में ओनली आई स्पीक 1 आवर एंड इफ एनीवन से कि यू स्पीक हिंदी सो आई स्पीक होल डे।
Yes, actually, why we can speak, because this is our mother tongue. This is our native language. If English our native language, so we can speak fluent for 1 hour or two days continuously. We can speak. Yes. Okay. So where is your kids now?
They are playing another room. They just
Okay.
came here and they think, okay, mama is talking to someone, so they move.
Oh, your kids are very understanding, but my kids, they are not understanding to me.
My my younger one is 4 year old, so he is know everything, and elder
Okay.
one is also 8 year old, so he knows everything. Okay, mama is just talking to someone, so don't disturb mama.
Yes, elder one can understand. Yes, and younger one don't understand.
Because he is very little.
Okay, I